Alright, this right here is my gaming setup and I need to get myself a gaming chair. We get this gigantic box that houses everything needed to build the chair, so let's go ahead and take everything out. Inside the box there's this massive instruction sheet, probably the biggest I've ever seen. There's also an info sheet with a QR code that links to a detailed assembly video. As you can see, everything is well packaged to keep all the parts protected. Then we have all the well packaged and wrapped parts, including everything you'll need for the build. Make sure that all the parts are taken out of their packaging and laid on the floor. The first step is assembling the base of the chair and screwing everything into place. Next are the wheels. You just need a bit of force to push them in to secure them. I'd recommend using a drill screwdriver to speed things up since there's quite a bit of screwing involved. Literally following the steps on that giant instruction sheet actually made the whole process pretty straightforward. I also like that all the screws come pre-sorted and labelled so you know exactly where each one goes. So that actually saves quite a bit of time. It took me about 20 to 30 minutes to put everything together. Overall though, the assembly was a breeze. Quick disclaimer, everything mentioned in this video is my very own opinion and is not influenced by the company or anyone else. Look, I wanted to continuously use this chair for about a month before I can give you guys this review. This definitely looks amazing and fits great with my setup. The chair looks fantastic. It comes in a sleek black colorway with light grey and gold accents. It's also really well constructed. The materials feel durable, the textures are thoughtfully chosen, and the stitching is clean throughout. I especially like the embroidered logo on the back, which is a really nice touch from AutoFull. One of the standout features of this chair is the ultra soft porous PU leather. It's breathable and stays cooler than traditional leather. Unlike smoother chairs, this one has a subtle grip to it, which helps prevent you from sliding down when seated. And yes, the porous design plays a key role in the ventilation system, which we'll get into later in the video. The autodynamic tracking lumbar support system works surprisingly well. Instead of a traditional lumbar pillow, this system automatically adjusts to support users between 5'9" and 6'2". It was designed with input from a highly reputable chiropractor, and the results truly show with how well it adapts to your lower back. You can adjust it in two ways. The first one is using a knob to move the support up or down. Obviously you can't see it, but you can definitely feel it. And the second one, you can use a lever that releases and angles out the whole lumbar support section. You can position it how you want, then push the lever back in to lock it, and it really helps keep your posture straight. Next we have the 360 degrees adjustable armrest. They blend in really well with the chair's design. They come in a black and chrome finish. The branding is engraved on top and they can be adjusted forwards, backwards, up and down, rotate, and can even be angled inwards or outwards. It's got a nice cushioned feel to it when you rest your arms on it, which is super nice if you're gaming or working. By just lifting this lever, you can recline at an angle of 160 degrees, which is almost flat. You can lay all the way back, making it perfect for a chilled lie down. We get this lever to adjust the height of the chair, and to prevent the chair from tilting when you recline, you can just push this lever to lock it in place. The 3D Ergo Cloud neck pillow is clutch for your head and neck support, and it offers 60 degrees of flexible cushioning. It can be adjusted inwards or outwards to match your seating position so that it can give you a more universal and personalized fit. The head cushion features a soft high-end fabric and thick memory foam that contours comfortably to your head. Another unique feature is the retractable footrest, which slides out from the bottom of the chair. It doesn't extend super fast, so you might need to bend your knees a bit to use it depending on your height, but it definitely does the job. It has a nice cushioned feel, but I do wish it extended just a bit further for more comfort. I think this would be great for people who like to sit with their legs crossed. Now onto the biggest feature, and that's the heating, ventilation and massage features. It's powered using a USB-A cable. I would recommend you use a power bank like this one, and there's even a small sleeve on the lower back where you can store it so that it's out the way. Or you can use an extension cable and connect it to a USB hub or a wall adapter, but just be careful with that cable. On the seat there are 3 rubbery buttons on the right hand side, one for ventilation, one for heating, and one for the lumbar massage, and each one has 3 levels. For ventilation we have 2 fans down the middle. They do get a bit loud, but they're powerful enough to move air through the seat to keep things nice and cool. The heated seats work great, but it takes a few minutes to warm up, but that definitely comes in handy for the colder season. With the massage feature, the dual vibration motors work great, especially when working for long hours, but I tend to only have it on at set intervals. Note that you can use the massage system alongside the heating or ventilation, which is pretty clutch. The base of the chair is plastic and the wheel casters are nice and quiet when moving around. Look, I'm not the biggest fan of seats that are made from PU leather, but this one held up surprisingly well. I've been using it daily for a month straight, and as you can see, the chair has kept its shape really well. I was definitely skeptical at first, but this chair has exceeded my expectations. It looks premium and the cooling and massaging functions are so good because I pretty much keep them on all the time. After spending quite some time on this chair, I can confidently say that I absolutely love it. Of course, I'm curious to see how the PU leather will hold up over time, but so far it still looks great. The lumbar support system is genuinely one of the best I've experienced. Right now I'm powering it with my Belkin power bank that fits perfectly right here. And with things heating up here in London, the cooling feature has really been clutch. Yes, it comes in at a premium price of $599.99, but honestly it offers way more features than other chairs in the same price range. I love the race car seat design while still managing to look sleek and premium, and it definitely makes any setup pop. In terms of comfort, it's excellent, the build quality feels solid, and after a month of use, it hasn't disappointed. Look, that's just my take, but as always, I recommend trying it out for yourself because when it comes to chairs, comfort can vary from person to person. And for that extra peace of mind, you also get a 3-year warranty from the date of purchase. If you guys would like to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.